In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz on Tally.so step by step. If you want to build an online quiz quickly and easily using Tally.so, then this tutorial will guide you through the complete process from start to finish. Tally.so is a simple and flexible form-building platform that allows you to create interactive quizzes, surveys, and forms without needing advanced technical skills. Whether you're making a quiz for education, fun activities, or audience engagement, this method will help you get everything set up smoothly. To begin, open your preferred browser and go to Tally.so. Once the website loads, sign into your account so you can access the dashboard and all available form tools. After logging in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click on the button used to create a new form. This will open a fresh workspace where you can start building your quiz. Inside the editor, you'll have the option to either create a form from scratch or use one of the available templates. If you want to save time and start with a ready-made layout, select the option to Browse Templates. After opening the Template section, navigate to the category where personal or general use templates are displayed, since many quiz-style formats can usually be found there. Take your time looking through the available designs and choose the template that best matches the type of quiz you want to create. Once you find one you like, open it and review the structure carefully. If the layout looks good for your needs, click the option to use the template so it can be added directly into your workspace. After importing the template, you can begin customizing the quiz by replacing the default questions and answers with your own content. Edit each section carefully so the quiz matches your intended topic, style, and format. You can adjust the wording, answer choices, and overall structure to make the experience more engaging and easier for participants to follow. Personalizing the form also helps make your quiz look more professional and relevant to your audience. Once everything looks the way you want, head to the top right corner of the page and click the Publish button. Publishing the quiz will make it live and accessible to others. After the form is published successfully, you'll receive a shareable link that you can send to anyone you want to participate in the quiz. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.